Hi, this is Vijay. In this video, we are going to have a view on the sudden drastic fall of revenue as well as profit in CTS Cognizant Technology Solution India Limited. So, how this is going to make an impact in IT industry as well as associated services industry, that we will going to have a vision in this video. So, before going to have such details, I would like to say the trading tips platforms operated by Bull Street through WhatsApp. We have three kinds of trading tips platforms. The one is Superfans option, in which we give low budget option trading tips. Low budget is nothing but a sum of 10,000 rupees is enough to have one lot of stock option, or two lot, or three lot, sometimes four lot of stock option. Such kind of low premium option trading tips will be given in a live market with the entry and target and related updates through WhatsApp only. Directly, it will be given directly to your WhatsApp number. The subscription to join Superfans option is 7,999 per month. So very nominal, very cheap and nominal. And another trading desk platform is known as Superfans Equity, in which we give highly speculative moving scripts and operated calls in equity as well as investment calls in equity on delivery basis, not intraday, on delivery basis. The subscription to join Superfans Equity is also 7,999 per month. And another one is Superfans Penny, in which we give investment calls in the price range of just 5 paise, yes, 5 paise to 20 rupees on positional basis. These stocks are not tradable stocks, just buy and stay invested in these stocks for few years together to make a great profit for you and your watts. The subscription to join Superfans Penny is also 7,999 per month. And we have another trading tips plan for higher level investor and traders known as Bull Street Cash and Online Trading Tips magazine, that we will discuss at the end of this video. Now we go to this video. Recently the market news came about CTS. They have the profit fall about 40%, which leads to 3,225 crores of rupees in the financial year 2021. Also, they had a revenue fall about 5%, which leads to 29,682 crores. So this makes a drastic fall in the company concern. It also make a turbulent wave among the IT industry and associated service industries. See, because the CTS company is having the CTS India company is having about 2 lakhs employees. So what will happen about the 2 lakh employees? It's only a great question mark. Definitely, few amount of people will be axed. They will be sent out of the company. So if they sent out of the company, what will happen in the market? Immediately there will be an impulse will be created in the finance sector. Say most of the employees may be in ongoing loans. Say some may have taken personal loans, some may have taken vehicle loans, some may have taken housing loans. So those loans will be hammered severely. So this will create an impact in banks which gave loans to those employees, and banks which gave loans to the service operators, and housing finance companies like NBFC, like India Bulls, like that LIC Housing Finance, such kind of companies will also see a setback. So now we can view this in this order. First, we can take the IT stocks. See, the IT stocks means immediately we will come into the mind that the Infosys, TCS, Wipro, HCL Tech, Tech Mahindra, and Mindtree. So in this order, already the Infosys and TCS have achieved the year high. So they will be facing resistance at every interval of time. So if you are having Infosys stock and TCS stock, it is better to book profit and buy at low and later stage. And with respect to the HCL Tech is quite silent for 2 to 3 months in trading. So this is not making any wave at all. So it becomes passive, and only stock giving money for both trading traders as well as investors is Wipro. So I heard that Wipro is being safe as far as this kind of turbulence in profits. So Wipro is safe. So if you are having Wipro in your portfolio, you can remain invested in the Wipro stock. And if you are a trader, you can find a great opportunity in Wipro during the rest of the days in September month F&O series, as well as the October series before Diwali also. And if you have the stocks like Tech Mahindra and Mindtree, you have to review these two stocks. And Tech Mahindra is not giving much opportunity in trading, and Mindtree gives opportunity once in a while. So this is about the IT stocks. And secondary line, we can think about the bank stocks who are having exposure to those employees. So we cannot go each and every detail, but in general, we can analyze what are the bank stocks may suffer. So identify if a particular bank stock is falling on a particular day, and subsequent it continues falling, make a note of it and watch the stock. And like that NBFC stock also, like India Bulls, Bajaj Finance, Bajaj Finserv, and LIC Housing, and of course Housing Finance stocks also. So watch these stocks and track these stocks and have an eye on these stocks. Then if at all you are doing this kind of homework, you can able to make great money like me. So please watch this channel regularly. Now we come to the end of the video. Now I would like to say a few points about the trading tips plan for higher level investor traders. If you are an HNI investor, or if you are working in IT sector in a higher level, if you are having a capital above 50k to a lakh, 1 lakh rupee or above, you can subscribe to Bull Street Cash and Online Trading Tips magazine. What we will give in this Bull Street Cash and Online Trading Tips magazine, the trading tips are double money trading tips. Nothing but the investment has to be multiplied within doubled within few days of holding, and triple money trading tips, in which the investment has to be multiplied by 3 times, triple times in few days of holding. And mini jackpot trading tips. Mini jackpot trading tips is nothing but the investment has to multiply by 5 to 7 times in few or more days of holding. And occasional jackpot trading tips is nothing but once in a while we give 2 or 3 jackpot trading tips in Bull Street Cash and Online Trading Tips magazine, in which the investment has to multiply by 10 to 20 times, sometimes even more. Such kind of trading tips will be given. Even before taking this video, we gave a call in DLF in a particular stock option at a price of just 1 rupee. That 1 rupee becomes next day the 1 rupee becomes 11 rupees 35 paise. So the investment multiplied by 11 times. Such kind of jackpot trading tips you can able to get once in a while, 2 to 3 or 3 to 4 times, depends on the market situation. So the subscription to join Bull Street Cash and Online Trading Tips magazine will be like this, because the return will be like this. So if you are in this category, you can subscribe to Bull Street Cash and Online Trading Tips magazine. Or else, if you are a retail investor, retail trader, if you are operating a lower level, you can subscribe to Superfans option. Superfans option is also giving fabulous profits consistently. Thank you very much. I'm Vijay.